Yeah, hello, Martin from Baker's Timber Buildings. I'm at the Factory and Show Centre here in the Bolney Grange Industrial Estate, West Sussex. I've got two new demonstration buildings we completed over the last few months that wanted to show you them now they're fully completed, and show you the two real fundamental options going from our balanced specification all the way through to our full 10-year pack. So the building you're seeing here is 20 feet or 6 metres in width. It's broken out, it's a combination room, so broken out into a storage section here, and then with the main room there. We've also then added a canopy to that building. So let me take you around this one first. It's a really stunning building in a V100 MTX external cladding. We've got a hardwood door there into the store. Now, I'll show you this section first. So that store is lined and insulated. It will be used, could be used as a little workshop or obviously garden store. But because the building is quite deep, what we've done is we've actually broken that out and stopped the partition there for the storage area. And then we've got a little toilet and bathroom that we've shown you in this. So nice and compact little option, but really nice to have as a multi-purpose room. Particularly toilets are very handy if you're a long way away from the house, particularly swimming pools, changing rooms and things like that. The main room lined and insulated with our plain MDF, set up as a writing room. Just very, very lovely furnished. So that's a really nice option there. Of course, we're talking about electrics and internet and everything like that we would normally bring in. And then next to that, we've got the canopy, which we're showing with a hot tub underneath it. Just going to pan back to give you that angle from a different way. So there you go, that probably gives you a good idea of that. So this is all finished in the MTX, still post here with the MTX cladding, and then the V100 running around there, that's a RAL 7047, really contrasts nicely with the colour on the outside here, which is RAL 7012, or known as Basalt Grey. This is a special colour match service that we have on the UPVC, so that is not the anthracite, it's a slightly lighter grey, what we do there is we actually go away and get a proper colour match and then the UPVC sprayed. A bit of an extra cost in doing that, but if you've got a real colour you're precious about, it's a lovely option. UPVC windows with all the MTX cladding. This building comes with our 10-year guarantee, and there's essentially no maintenance. Now if I pan around to the other building that we've got, here is our Kite. This is in our balance specification. So this has got timber windows, timber doors, timber cladding. You can see the horizontal shiplap there. This therefore needs some maintenance. You need to paint this once a year ideally, certainly once every couple of years. And there's the big difference between the MTX cladding and the timber, is that this does need some maintenance. Principally it's going to last the same amount of time. We could expect 30 years plus of any of our buildings. You just need to maintain this one a little bit more, but of course it does come in at a lower price because the materials are cheaper. We've set this one up as a gym, mirrors on the back wall, and also a wardrobe section here. Hello. Let me just open that up there. That's supplied by Gap Solutions down in Brighton. They work alongside us in fitting these cupboards and wardrobes for you in there, with the mirrors across the back there. Really nice option for the gym, and this again is all set out for you to come and view at the Bolney Grange Industrial Estate. You can see, if I pan up a little bit there, forgive me, so if we pan up a little bit there, the timber cladding. This is the imperfections you get of timber cladding. It's here to view. You can come and compare that to the perfection of the MTX and work out if the cost is worth the gain for any individual project. So there you go. So there's two buildings ready for you to view, or two new buildings, shall I say, ready for you to view at the Bolney Grange Industrial Estate. You'll be welcome to come here and see us at any time. Come and have a coffee, have a look around. That's our combination room there with the canopy. Total distance or total size of 10 metres, and then along with our gym that we've just put in there. That along with all the other buildings that we've got here, our Merlin with the gable glass you see here, tri-slider down there, our stunning games room that we've got here with the bifold doors. There's lots for you to view. All the different specifications and all the options that we have are all here. Look forward to welcoming you down whenever you're ready. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.